Last month, I made $647 from videos I created based on YouTube comments. Not my comments, other people's comments. Sounds crazy, right? Let me show you how it works. Welcome back. By now you know how to find keywords in forums and with free tools. Today, I'm showing you the strategy that's made me the most money, mining YouTube comments. Here's the truth. Your competitors' audiences are literally telling you what videos they want, and most creators ignore them. Let's go to a popular video in your niche. I'll use a fitness example since it's universal. This video has 500,000 views and 2,000 comments. The creator probably spent hours making it, got paid once, and moved on. But those 2,000 comments? That's 2,000 pieces of market research. Every comment is someone raising their hand and saying, I have this problem, or I have this question, and you can answer them in your next video. Look at this. What if I have knee problems? Can I do this at home without equipment? How many times a week should I do this? 3 comments, 3 video ideas, 1 video. But you can't read 2,000 comments. So here's my filtering system. First, sort by newest. Newest comments show you what people are asking right now. Trends emerge in real time. Second, sort by top comments. These are the questions other people found valuable. If 50 people upvoted a question, it's not just that person's problem. It's everyone's problem. Third, look for the creator's pinned comment or replies. When creators reply to comments, they're often answering the most common questions. Steal those questions for your own content. There are 3 types of comments I look for. Type 1. The clarification question. Wait, do you mean X or Y? This person is confused. If they're confused, others are too. Create a video clarifying that exact point. Example. Do I need to buy equipment or can I use household items? Boom. Video idea. 5 household items that replace gym equipment. Type 2. The what about question. What about people with bad knees? What about vegetarians? What about people over 50? These are niche audiences with specific needs. Video idea. The perfect workout for people over 50. No knee pain. You're now the expert for that specific audience. Type 3. The objection. This won't work because these people are skeptical. Address their objection head-on in your content. Objection. This only works if you have a home gym. Your video. How to do this workout with 0 equipment. Let me show you a real example that made me money. I was watching a video about best affiliate programs for beginners. Sorted by newest comments. Found this comment. Great video, but what about programs that pay instantly? I need money ASAP. This person needs money now. High intent, desperate, perfect. I searched affiliate programs that pay instantly. Nothing, no good content. So I made a video. 5 affiliate programs that pay you same day, instant payouts. That video made $47 in its first month from a single comment. Here's my system for turning comments into keywords. Take the comment and apply this formula. Plus, comment. I have back pain from sitting all day. Keyword. Exercises for back pain, office workers sitting all day. Comment. I want to start, but I'm broke. Keyword. How to start affiliate marketing with $0. Comment. Is this safe for pregnancy? Keyword. Safe workouts for pregnancy beginners second trimester. Here's what makes this strategy unstoppable. When you create content based on comments from a competitor's video, you're targeting people who are already interested in your topic. These aren't cold strangers. They've already watched a video about your niche. They're halfway to buying. They just need their specific question answered. And here's the beautiful part. Your competitor did all the hard work of attracting them. You just have to answer the question they're still asking. Quick note on ethics. Don't copy other people's content. Don't steal their ideas. What we're doing is identifying gaps in their content and filling them. If someone asks a question in a comment, that means the original video didn't answer it. You're helping the audience by providing what's missing. Also, when you make your video, you can even say, I saw someone in the comments of creator's video asking about X, so I made this to help. It's actually respectful. Your homework. Find 3 popular videos in your niche. Sort comments by newest. Find 1 golden comment from each. Turn them into keywords. Comment below with your best one. Next video, I'm giving you the exact formula I use to create keywords that always work. It's a simple template you can use forever. Simply request the template. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Before you bounce, smash like, hit subscribe, and ring the bell. Join our creator squad and turn comments into wins. Starting now. Everything happens for us. See you in the next video.